The mashed potato on. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be making some air fried popcorn shrimp. I have some shrimp here laid out for you, already cleaned. I'm gonna season it now. What is a Sunday without rice and peas? I'm gonna be pairing it with some rice and peas. If you'd like to see the full video of how I made it, leave it in the comments, guys. Alright guys, so I got some thyme, tomato, bell pepper, purple onion or red onion, some scallion, 2 pieces of garlic, and I don't have any hot pepper. I'm only using 2 pieces of garlic here because I already grated some garlic on the shrimp. This is really for my sauce, guys, but I like when everything is kind of marinated, so I'm gonna add it to this, chop it up and add it to this, and I'm gonna check back in. I went ahead and I put some hot sauce, fish seasoning, all purpose, you know the works. I don't have any Jamaican pepper right now, so I have to work with what I have. I'm gonna chop these up and I'll be right back. Okay, so everything is chopped up nicely. Garlic, onion, thyme, tomato, bell pepper, and scallion. I'm gonna add it to this. Okay, give it a little mix. Yep. And I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. Peas is over here doing its thing. I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour or so, or basically until the peas is ready. I'll be back. Okay, this is the first batch. I'm about to put it in the air fryer, guys. In the air fryer for 12 minutes on 320, guys. While the shrimp is in the oven, I'm gonna start on my sauce. I spread a little oil in the pan. I'm gonna saute my seasoning. So that's what it's looking like out of the air fryer, guys. I'm gonna plate and I'll be back. So this is the finished product, guys. My yummy sauce over here, rice and peas, my popcorn air fried shrimp, lettuce, tomato, and avocado with a little bit of mashed potato on the side. I think I prefer shrimp when it's deep fried rather than the air fryer, but we're trying to take the healthy route. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out and see y'all in the next video.